Hello everybody and welcome back. We are continuing to set up our scripting repository. So let's do a quick review. We started in CSI 301 code repository as per this little cloud here. The next thing we did was we forked over to our repository. And it has mine right there, and it said where I forked it from. So the next thing we will do after that, pull this over here, is we will clone it down to the machine. And I just closed out my clone procedure. Hang on, let me get it back here. Okay, documents, 301, week 1. Now I'm actually revising this as I work through this because it seems like I didn't quite get all the changes in it. Okay, so the next thing we will do is we will clone down to the workstation. Here's how we do this. I'm on part 2A. And what I did was I pasted it here. Let me be brave and do it again. Okay, first of all, you notice I am going to erase the $sign because the $sign is actually part of the prompt. This prompt indicates that you're there as and that you are not root, you're not the privileged user. Okay, next thing is, I don't know if you can see it or not, these curlicue quotation marks here will cause a bunch of problems. So put some straight ones in there. Okay. I'm going to do something off camera here real quick. I'm going to get my GitHub token ready. Whoa! Don't look. There it goes. Come on. Okay. So we'll hit enter. Okay, and I forgot to do something. You see where it says your username? No, I don't need to use your username. I just use your username, or in my case, I need to use my username, which is BG Picker. Let's see if it likes that any better. Okay, it wants my username, BG Picker. Stands for Bluegrass Picker. Okay, it says for a password, and you would think you would use your password. You do not use your password to get into GitHub. You use that token we talked about a while ago. And I've got mine off camera. I've got it in a text file. And I just right-clicked. And I hit enter. And it's done. It worked. Now, if you start doing git commands right here, you're not in the git repository, so it's going to say, I don't know what you're talking about. So you need to change directory to get in there. And here's how you do it. You go cd. Now you see all this alphabet soup, CSCI, MISS, ISPPI, and all that. You don't need to do that. Go CS, tab. Boom, you're in. Now, the next thing we want to do is add our upstream. The upstream is my repository, and the reason we do that is because then if I make changes, they get pushed down to you. And also when you do your pull request, it comes up to me and I know to go grade your paper. Okay, copy. Okay, and we got the, don't forget your curlicue brace quotation marks. They'll get you every time. Okay, let's see if it likes that. Yes, it does. It does because it doesn't complain. Okay, I'm about to try to pull from that. We'll see what happens. I may have issue problems. We'll see what happens. go get my token again. Okay, it told me that for some reason I am not permitted in that. I will fix that for my downstream, and I'll fix it for yours, and I'll get back with you. Let's go forward from there. Okay, the next thing you will need to do is you'll need to go into Lab 01. And that's where you write your program. And I will pause here, and we will pick this up in a bit.